Very good morning, my dear students. Unit 3 Matter Around Us. Today we are going to see about few activities in this lesson. Activity 6. The question is, think and find out, is it a good idea to separate bran from flour? The answer is no. It is not a good idea to separate bran from flour, because bran is rich in dietary fiber and essential fatty acids. It contains significant quantities of starch, protein, vitamins. It is also source of phytic acid. In foreign countries, it is used as a nutrients and production of oils. Activity number 7. Group activity. Students are divided into 4 groups. Each group should suggest a method to separate mixtures and also give reasons why they used a particular method and what property of the components forms the basis for separation. Examples should be drawn from day-to-day life. After the group presents its method to the rest of the class, the whole class will discuss and analyze if the suggested method will work and then make a note of it in the form given below. Answer. Separation methods: hand picking, sieving, sedimentation and magnetic separation. Example of hand picking: vegetables. Basis for separation: distinctly different solids. Sieving: bran from flour. Basis for separation: solid different sizes. Separation method: sedimentation. Example: sugar with sand. Basis for separation: settling down insoluble solids. Sugar is a soluble substance, so is completely dissolved in water. But sand is insoluble substance, it's not dissolved in water, it's sediment in bottom of the beaker. So settling down insoluble solid is sand. Magnetic separation. Example: iron material from dustbin. You know very well, more things is there in dustbin. How can we separate iron materials? We should use the magnet to separate. Iron materials is clinging to the magnet, so we can easily separate iron materials from dustbin. Basis for separation: magnetic and non-magnetic substance. Activity 3. Activity 8. Collect and share information on common adulterants and the reduction in foodstuff in the class. Watch the YouTube video 10 simple tricks to find adulterated food. Answer. Ajmoon seed is mustard seed. Ajmoon seed is mixed with the mustard seed. Ajmoon seed is crushed with hammer. Its cotyledon is white in color, so it's not a original. Mustard seed is crushed with hammer. Its cotyledon is yellow in color, so it's a original. The cotyledon seed is yellow in color means the mustard is good. Kesari dal in Channa dal. Kesari dal is not proper in shape, but Channa dal is oval shape. So easily we can Using the magnifying glass, easily find the Channa dal is oval in shape, is original. Kesari dal is not proper in shape, so it's not a original. Papaya seed in black pepper. Papaya seed has much rough surface compared to black pepper. So black pepper has a rough surface. So how can we find? Using magnifying glass, we could find easily black pepper has rough surface. Tea powder. How can we find original tea powder? Adulterated tea powder, add water, the water is changed in red color. So we can say is a not original. So original tea powder, add water, the water color will be yellow. The water color will be yellow. So easily we can identify the original tea powder. Chilli powder. Adulterated chilli powder, add water. The color of water is changed in red color. Good quality chilli powder, add water. The color of water will be yellow. So good chilli powder, easily we can find out. Add water, the color of water will be yellow in color. Adulterated turmeric powder is added with HCl. You know very well, HCl means hydrochloric acid. The mixture is red in color, then add water, no change. The original turmeric powder is added with HCl. The mixture is red in color. The mixture is red in color. Then add water, the red color is changed into colorless. So easily we can find original turmeric powder. In washing machines, this principle is used to squeeze out dirt from cloths and the method is called centrifugation. Do you know? What is centrifugation? The centrifug works using the sedimentation principle. Sedimentation means what? The residue is in the bottom of the beaker. The pure water is in the top of the beaker, where the centrifugal acceleration causes denser substances, that means insoluble substances. So causes denser substances and particles to move outward in the radial direction. At the same time, objects that are less dense are displaced and move to the center. At the same time, objects that are less dense are displaced and move to the center. What is the meaning of centrifugation? Centrifugation is the technique which involves the application of centrifugal force to separate particles from a solution according to their shape, size, density, viscosity of the medium and rotate speed. Next, do you know? Rice husks are hard protecting covers of grains of rice. In addition to protecting the rice during the growing seasons, husk can be used as building material, fertilizer, insulation material and fuel. What is husk? The cover of paddy is also known as rice hulls, or the hard rice husk, or the hard protecting covers of grains of rice. In addition to protecting rice during the growing season, rice hulls can be put to use building material, fertilizer, insulation material or fuel. Rice hulls are part of the chaff of the rice. Okay children, we will meet at next class.